Everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 891 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another really cute Winky Lux product. This is the Double Matte Whip 24-hour waterproof lipstick, which that right there sounds so perfect for me because I want my lipstick to last all day long, and it sounds like this is going to be able to do that. So I got this in the shade Cookie, and if you saw the PR unboxing that I did for Winky Lux, you would have seen this product. So this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to hop on here, show you my honest review of it, and I'm so excited to try it out. It has real vanilla and avocado oil, two of my favorite things. So I'm really excited to smell this. But I also love that those are nourishing ingredients that are in the lip product, so it'll help keep my lips moisturized, which I definitely need because I have such naturally dry lips. And so on the Winky Lux website, this comes in 4 different shades and it retails for $15. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. And as always, it has the cutest box. You can see it has little ice cream cones, cherries. Oh my gosh. And then the packaging on the product itself, of course, I love the pink. And then it has gold ice cream cones on it. So here is what that looks like. Oh my gosh. I can't get over Winky Lux packaging. And speaking of packaging, let's check out, oh, and there's a cherry on the top. Check out the applicator. Ooh, a very skinny angled doe foot. I love that. That seems like it'll be so easy to work with. Here's an up close view of how that looks. I don't think I've ever seen a lipstick applicator quite like this. And you know what? I'm so surprised. I actually don't get any fragrance smell to this. I'm so surprised. It just smells like a regular lipstick product. It doesn't actually smell like vanilla. Interesting. Yes, I love this applicator. It is so easy to use, and this is going on so pigmented. And this is seriously such a beautiful nude shade. It's kind of rosy, but it's also kind of beige, has a little bit of brown to it. I feel like this is a universal nude shade. Like this would look so beautiful on such a range of people. Like for me, I don't know if this is a shade that I would have thought to wear necessarily, but now that I see it on me, I like it. I feel like it is flattering. Like it's a bit darker of a nude than I would normally choose, but it is so beautiful. And the application was seriously so great. Such crisp edges, and I feel like I could get the perfect shape with this applicator. And it's so fully pigmented and opaque that you really just need one swipe, and then it dries down quickly, but not too quickly, to this very comfortable matte finish that looks smooth on my dry lips. There's no clinging to any dry patches. So this is just a really, really nice matte lipstick. And I love that it's not at all sticky. It doesn't feel drying. Wow. I just wish that it had a really sweet scent to it to go with the packaging and even the name, but that's okay. I can get over that. I have a feeling there's going to be no transfer, but let me just do a kiss test. Yeah, absolutely no transfer. This is seriously going to last the 24 hours. It's not going to come off with eating and drinking. And that's what I seriously look for in my lipsticks, because I don't want to go through the hassle of it smudging whenever I go to eat or drink and have it come off so easily. No, this is what I want. I want it to be comfortable on my lips, but stay put through everything so that I don't have to worry about that. And that's exactly what this product does. And it can be hard to find long-lasting matte liquid lipsticks that are not drying on my lips, that don't cling to the chapped part of my lips. And this is seriously such a nice formula. And it's probably because of that avocado oil and that vanilla extract that it really does keep the lips so moisturized, even though it is a matte all-day wear type of product. But gosh, I am really happy with this. I keep looking at myself in the mirror, being so pleasantly surprised by how this shade looks on me. And I feel inspired to do like a brown and gold smoky eye. I feel like that would go so well with this darker nude lip shade. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.